Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, cooled seats. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, navigation system, keyless entry, tow hitch. Your new ride is just a phone call away.